Hello, I'm Paul. I'm 44 years old, from Canada originally and living in South Africa. I've come to One Yoga for a new yoga experience. Been doing yoga for about 4 years, pretty seriously, but really only did kind of some asana work and a little bit of pranayama, and it was really amazing to come to One Yoga and really be exposed to just so many more aspects of what yoga is all about. We got really in depth in meditation and some really nice experiences. So yeah, the spiritual side of yoga philosophy. So it's really taken my yoga practice to the next level, and it's taught me a lot about how yoga is so much more than just sitting on your mat and doing asanas. It really is a way of life, and there's so much more you can get out of it that can enrich your life. So it has been an amazing experience. Overall, the teachers are absolutely amazing. There's so many different types of teachers. You've got the kind of more spiritually minded ones. You've got the ones who are more into intense yoga, and they all bring something different to the practice. And so it's really, really amazing. We were also lucky enough to have quite a small group. There were only 6 of us in the class, so we got a lot of one-on-one time with the teachers, which was, yeah, really, really great. And it was overall an amazing experience. I just found One Yoga online, actually randomly, just looking for places, and ended up speaking to a few friends that I knew and had recommended places to me, but for some reason I landed on this one. Just really liked the website and the feel, and it's been an amazing experience since really just arriving. Even just coming to reception, I felt the warmth in the place. It's a beautiful setting overlooking this lovely ocean, which you can't quite see. But yeah, it's an amazing place, an amazing island. Overall, an incredible experience. Met a bunch of new people. I think we'll probably stay friends with most of those people. And I hope that they have an amazing yoga journey onwards after this as well. So yeah, it's been an amazing experience. I would absolutely recommend One Yoga. Come here, enjoy the experience, challenge yourself, push yourself to create new opportunities for yourself and outside of your boundaries. And yeah, been absolutely amazing. So